Distractions. They're everywhere, especially in the physical world, where your brand competes for attention. Whether you have a physical store, a pop-up shop, or you're advertising offline with billboards and street signs, capturing your audience's focus is a real challenge. The environmental touchpoints are crucial for those who try to connect with their audience offline. Let's say you're running a pop-up shop, or you're ready for an on-ground activation. How do you cut through the distractions and make a lasting impression? The key is to stand out by delivering something unexpected, something that commands attention. Imagine creating an experience that's impossible to ignore. It's about connecting with your audience in a way that's memorable and impactful, bridging the gap between their online and offline interactions with your brand. Let's discuss strategies that break through the distractions and create a cohesive, compelling journey for your customers. Reach out today and let's craft a cross-promotion strategy that ensures your brand shines through no matter the environment.